Namaskar friends, this is Acharya Raman here. I am going to talk about how 2021 is going to be for all the ascendants from Aries to Pisces. Saturn is transiting in the star of Sun, Jupiter is in the star of Sun, Rahu will be in Mars star and Ketu will be in Mercury star. These are the four main planets which basically decide how the world is going to be for the coming 1 year to 2.5 years depending upon the transits of the planets. And if you are running the period of these planets, then the effect are going to be maximum, otherwise the effect are not going to be so direct. We are passing through the age of Corona. So, Corona is not going to go in 2021 also, and after studying the horoscopes of over 100 people, I personally came to the conclusion that Rahu is the main factor or Ketu is the main factor, because Rahu was the only thing common in those 100 horoscopes. All the people who had acquired Corona globally had Rahu running in their Dasha Bhukti Yantra, or their Dasha Lord was in Rahu star, or the Dasha Lord was conjoined with Rahu, or Rahu was sitting in the sign of that Dasha Lord. So these are the points, after studying which I came to the conclusion that if you are running the period of any planet which is in the star of Rahu or sub of Rahu, or you are running or if you are running the dasha of Rahu or Ketu, then be very careful. Do not go out without mask. Keep your hands sanitized. Keep washing your hands. Keep away from strangers. Do not travel until unless it is very necessary. And also at that time be very careful, very strict. Otherwise there is no way you can stop yourself from having Corona. Said this, you may be wanting to talk to me again and again, so all you have to do is one simple thing. Just go to the Play Store and download our app, Varta app, Astro Sage Varta app. So you can download it and you can call me directly after refilling. So why are you waiting? Just download the app and call me. And suppose if you don't find me on the app, or maybe I am offline, so you can call our customer care. They will arrange a call within very few minutes. So now let me start the horoscope of all the 12 ascendants. Coming to Virgo people, your family life will be good in the initial months, but after April things will not be so good. There will be common issues of conflict between the family members and you will not be able to handle them properly, as by default you are not a good risk taker in your life and small pressures also create problems. Hence keep your cool, otherwise you will suffer. As far as your love life is concerned, people with Saturn Dasha should not think of new relations this year, otherwise the rest can go for it. There will be breakups of people with Saturn Dasha Antra and also with Ketu Dasha. The love particle basically is missing this year for you people, so better focus on your work or whatever you are good at. The only profitable natives will be people having the Dasha Antra of Venus and not the other ones, as this is what the planets are telling. So if you are a Virgo with the Venus Dasha, then the year is filled with happiness for you, but for others it is not so. Coming to your married life is not going to be good for people of this ascendant in general. There will be nothing major, just that you will be stuck in your job or in finding jobs which will not let you be at peace, and your spouse will complain a lack of time. And it is very natural, anybody will do. Those with Ketu and Saturn Dasha will have much severe problems, and there can be temporary separation this year. You will have good time only and only if you are having the period of Venus this year. But for others you should not worry a lot, as there is not much negativity, but an undercurrent of dissatisfaction will be there. It will depend upon you people how you are going to tackle it. Coming to your health. Health wise, it is better to exercise regularly. You people generally suffer from bowel issues off and on, so by only regular exercise you can control it. No major diseases foreseen, but regular exercise is a must for you. Coming to your job prospects, people having Jupiter, Saturn, Sun, Mars and Rahu Dasha will be having problems in their career. There will be loss of job for many of you. There will be fruitless travels and negotiations. You won't be able to come up to anything positive by talking and traveling. You will not be able to stick to company policies and targets plans and will lag behind. Performance will not be up to the mark for many of you. Business people will be seeing a growth and consistency. Except Rahu, all the planets are in a position to either give success or consistency, but not losses. Rahu Dasha natives will try a lot to make things work, but it will not work as desired, and then there will be losses. Finance, except people with Sun, Saturn and Ketu Dasha, finances will be good. There will be constant inflow. You will be able to invest in funds of your choice, but limitedly. There will be savings and also expenses of reasonable things, which always are there. So you will be able to make money this year throughout property and vehicles. This will be an area where you will be very interested in both but you may not get loan from the desired institution and may have to get loans on higher interest rates to fulfill your desires. You will buy a vehicle and that too a new vehicle this year, but purchase of real estate is not seen strongly. Accidents. March, May, June and December are the months when you should be most careful. So friends, this was all for horoscope 2021. Some may find it good, some may not find it very good. This is what I can come up with, seeing the rotation of the planets. If you want to talk to me, you just download the Varta app and give me a call. But first of all, do like, share and subscribe to my channel and press the bell button so that you can get all the videos from our side. As for now, Namaskar.
एस्ट्रोसेज वार्ता astrosage.com के प्रमाणित और प्रीमियम एस्ट्रोलॉजर से करें कभी भी सीधे फोन पर बात। प्यार, पैसा, परिवार या कुछ और, हर सवाल का सीधा और सटीक जवाब। एस्ट्रोसेज वार्ता के जरिए ज्योतिषियों को फोन लगाएं और किस्मत का साथ पाएं।